Welcome back to another episode of Coaching Unplugged. I'm so glad you're back with me. We're back for more episodes, more content, and some good tips. And just like today, like any other, go ahead and like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. We're talking about Bellhop, okay? A new little money making opportunity for you this summer for 2021 that will definitely earn some money in your pocket if you're willing to work. Let's get it unplugged. Okay, so let's get into it. So today was my first day doing Bellhop, and it was everything that I guess I thought it would be. It was just basically me moving stuff. So kind of give you a little backstory why I decided to do Bellhop or try it. As you all know, I like to be in my business wear. I like to wear my suits, but you probably also don't know, aside from cooking and the suits and all that stuff that I like to do, I also like to get my hands dirty. Yes, I don't have no problem, working and being physical. And I wanted something that allowed me to basically get dirty. So moving is the best opportunity. And I was scrolling through Facebook maybe a month or so ago and decided to check out this app, this ad for a company called Bellhop. And so what's cool about Bellhop is it's a place where, obviously, if you're someone that needs to get stuff moved from place to place, state to state, you can use this type of service that will utilize regular people like you and I to basically actually sign up or apply and help someone move, or you actually getting some people to help move your stuff. So, I'm in the DMV area, DC area. It's looked like it's something that's been here for a while. I'll kind of get into why I think it's been here for a good minute too, but essentially it's been advertised quite a bit. And so anyway, I had to go through a little interview process. I had to actually show that I can move stuff, that I was able, was strong. So they wanted me to do a couple push-ups and stuff like that. So I did the push-ups and all that cool stuff. Don't get so lost into that, but did a little interview. Everything was legit. And then after that process was over, then it led me into the next phase, which was getting ready for a move. So I tried to do my first move. They kind of do it based on rankings. So was still considered what they call a recruit. So as a recruit, pretty much you just got to get your first job. So your first moving job. So the first recruiting gig didn't work out with my schedule. So I had to just okay, look, I work Monday through Friday from 8 to 5, 9 to 5. I need something that's either after 5 and on the weekends. And even though I have my events I like to do on the weekends, I don't mind, making a whole weekend to make some money, extra money. That doesn't bother me. So anyway, I decided to check it out again and see if they had anything upcoming. And someone reached out, and they have a corporate team. So everything's done through the app of Bellhop, and I went ahead and jumped on the move that was either this Saturday, or today, and I chose the one for this morning. So I'm literally just wearing what I wore to the move. They just said wear something comfortable. I didn't get my Bellhop shirt yet, but it's a green shirt that you wear, and when you wear that, obviously that makes you stand out. You work for something that's legit. All the dudes that were there, were, ready to move, pretty much good to go, decent help you. You have a lead that you put you with. So let's just say if you start off as a recruit and you go on your first move, you're going to be with other people that, already done the job before. So you won't feel like you're lost. You don't know what you're doing. But it's so simple. I mean, it's really easy. If you don't mind working this summer, if you want to make some extra money, I believe you could definitely make it with Bellhop. You could definitely make, and I haven't gotten paid yet, nothing like that, but this particular job I did, I think I did about an hour, maybe hour and a half, $36, which is fine for me. It's just side money I didn't have before. So for more opportunities, more jobs, I'll update you, let you know when I get, maybe bigger payouts or bigger opportunities in the future. But just want to make sure that, hey, you got something to do. You're not just, not doing anything. And I've been busy for sure as well. Aside from the Bellhop moving, which is, you know, interesting, just as a side gig that I'm picking up this summer. You know, I'm also have I have a property in Virginia. I think I told you about my first video. And so in this property, I'm basically going to be busy just focusing on painting it and all that stuff. So I'll let you see what I got going on with that. Getting ready for a renter that I decided that, hey, this would be a great opportunity for him to move into my home and pay rent, and I'm the landlord. So I'll tell you all that landlord process stuff in another video. But otherwise, definitely check out Bellhop if you want to make some extra money. You don't mind getting your hands dirty. You don't mind moving. You feel like you can lift. You got the guns. You got the arms. Definitely check them out. And always, again, make sure you like, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this video. Some comments in the down on the bottom here, and then also let me know in those comments any opportunities that you feel like somebody could utilize right now for this year to make some extra money, aside from the Uber, the DoorDash, and all that stuff. We already know about that, but anything else that you can let us know that might be a good way to make some extra money, put it down in the comments. As always, I appreciate you. Let's get it unplugged.